Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Mi Soundbar. This is the box that it comes in with. So there is another box inside. Let's quickly open it up and take a look. Okay, there are no extra box. We straight up have the soundbar inside. This is the Mi Soundbar installation guide. Everything that you need to know in order to set up this particular device is written over here. So these are the components of the box. So we have the power adapter. There you see, this is the power adapter. The PDIF cable for when you want to connect the soundbar to a TV, the packet of screws for when you want to mount it to a wall, and the installation guide as mentioned earlier. So this particular soundbar comes with 8 sound drivers. There is this. It also has this nice white and grey color scheme. Notice that this particular part, it's basically a cloth fabric. This side of the speaker is basically a cloth fabric. Looks very classy and elegant. There are 3 rubber stops underneath. This is to help prevent this particular soundbar from skidding or slipping. This is the inline remote in question. Everything that you need in order to control this speaker, you will find it here. There's volume plus minus buttons, Bluetooth button. This is for optical, SPDIF for when you want to connect to a TV, Aux-in, and so on. And finally, there are a lot of ports over here as well, like 3.5 port, SPDIF port, power port, and also the power on off button. This one right over here. Furthermore, there are 2 punch holes over here for when you want to mount it to a wall. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Mi Soundbar. Thank you for watching.